My name is Aaron, and for the past 2+ years, I've been trading the Nasdaq specifically. And in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to gain leverage when you're using prop firms. Now, if you don't know what prop firms are, it is a system to where you can buy a single account. You can buy up to 5. Some of them give you up to 20 accounts that you can purchase. And with those accounts, you can pass these what are called evaluations. Once you pass the evaluations, they then give you an actual account that you can use to get payouts with. Now, with these accounts, sometimes we want to actually gain more leverage by gaining more accounts, right? And so I want to talk through a site that I use that will help us actually gain more of that leverage.
What is it, mate? What is it?
But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm a smaller channel, really just trying to build an audience. And so I would really be appreciative of that. Also, join our community in the Discord. I talk through trade setups throughout the day. So if you're really newer to trading or you want to learn how to trade the Nasdaq specifically, that is what I do. That is what I only do.
All about stacks of big cash.
So let's just dive into it. The site that I use is called propfirm. Now, I'm going to be honest in this video because I am not getting paid in any way, shape, or form for this. But I do want to call it out that this is a great tool if you are trying to gain leverage. Now, what they are really good at is providing an option for you to pass an account with specific prop firms. And if you do that, they'll actually in turn give you certain rewards, right? So if we kind of take a look at this and kind of go through the site itself, we can see that if you, for example, use Lucid Trader, which is one that I actually use, your first 2 times on that, you can get 50% off. And then after that, get 40% off, right? But the big thing here that I really want to call out is that if you reach a payout on one Lucid account, you will get 2 free 25K or 50K evals. So they actually give you free evals if you get a payout. Now, in this situation, if I bought a 25K eval and passed that and got a payout, I would then get 2 free 25K evals, right? At the same time, if I got a 50K, right? If I purchased a 50K eval, passed that, got a payout, I would then get 2 free evals, which is an excellent deal. I've actually done this before and got those free accounts. It's very simple. There's just a couple things that you have to show them to claim that reward or that bonus, but it's a great tool. They also have other deals with Take Profit Trader and Tradeify. You can see these are kind of the top 3 that they really kind of point to, but there's also additional partners that they have on the site. So you can see here with Trade Day, I can get 30% off, right? And if I do that and I pass an evaluation, I'll get a free 50K eval, which is really nice. And then if I reach a payout, I'll get a free 2 50K eval. So I can get up to 3 evals with Trade Day. If I pass the eval, I'll get 1. And if I get a payout, I'll get an additional 2, which is a great deal. And you can see in here, there's additional items as well. And you'll also get discounts on each of these prop firms if you use them as well. So this is a great tool. They also have a really good Discord community where they have great promotions that they talk through. And if you have any type of question or if you just want to kind of connect with an area, this is a really good Discord channel or community that you can join that has a lot of really good information in it. So feel free to check this out as well. I've had some questions about their products and just kind of how it works, and I've had nothing but good conversations in here as well. So the Discord is a great place to kind of start if you do have questions or you're trying to find out a little bit more about it. So this is the tool that I would encourage you to check out. It's an excellent tool if you're really trying to gain leverage and you want to start small with just passing one eval or even get a payout and then get additional free accounts. It's just a great tool to use. So check this out. Hope this was helpful, and I hope to talk to you in the next video. See ya.